Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a recreation of Ariana Grande's Instagram for a week. I didn't actually post these pictures on my Instagram just because it didn't go with my theme, but I didn't really think that mattered anyway because I'm going to be showing you the pictures that I took on here. My friend Maeve helped me film this and she took the pictures for me, and we kind of did this video in like a vlog style, and it's kind of a mess and like kind of all over the place, but like that's what it was like. It was kind of hard to like find outfits that looked exactly like hers and backgrounds that looked exactly like hers, but I feel like I got the positions that she did really well. But yeah, obviously I look nothing like Ariana, but I tried to recreate her pictures as best as I could, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. I've been obsessed with watching videos like these lately, so I figured I'd try to do it myself. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a like, and just leave a comment down below telling me if you like this video and if you want to see me copy other celebrities' Instagrams in the future. And if you want to see me recreate Ariana Grande's Instagram for a week, then please just keep on watching. Oh no. Hold on, I have to get the pictures on my
laptop
because we're using my phone.
Okay. So it's like if you have your own TV show.
It's really longer than hers, but hold on.
Hurry up! Here you go. It has all the Charlie hair on it.
Ew. I didn't even know she was here and she barked at you. I thought she was at school.
She's in your mom's room.
I didn't even see her.
I have to look at the picture so that I know what I'm doing.
I have to look at the picture so I know.
Hold on, let me study it.
Anytime I'm alone, I can't help thinking about you. All I want
Right now.
We got it.
Oh no, I'm gonna mess up my hair and everything with this. It doesn't stretch. I was just birthed.
Where?
How did she take this? She had no freaking thumbs out. No. Kinda. No. No. No.
That one up.
I look ugly, but whatever. My mirror's dirty, clearly. And that one looks good.
Yeah, I like that one. I like that one a lot. How many pictures does it take to get one picture?
Just like Ariana. Contour is nuts. I'm gonna look like a psychopath in real life.
What are you using?
Anesthesia.
Whoa.
Obviously. What else?
The one and only.
I'm trying to double chin. I thought I just saw something flying next to me.
Are you gonna do a eyeliner for that?
Do I have to?
Yeah, she has a cat eye in that.
I'm stressed out now. Put lashes on.
Just do a little one.
I only really have to be good
That's fine.
on one side.
Yeah. The right side, I think. Just hook it around it.
It keeps getting stuck on the rug
Oh
though.
God.
Whoa. Wow, this is great paper.
Let me try to get it.
Wait. No, here. I got it.
You got it. You got it. You got it. You got it.
I've been here all night. ARIANA. I've been here all day. Nicki Minaj. And boy, you got me walking side to side. I'm talking to you. See you standing over there with your body.
Yeah, that's the one.
Oh,
We got it.
3
How many
pictures.
minutes later?
13.
That's not bad for me.
Oh, it's Ariana, we love you, but
Okay, this is hard to do when I have such little hair. To make these even look relatively the same. How does her hair? It's not like braided.
yeah, it is. It's like very, very loosely braided. It's twirled.
Yeah, but like my hair's not gonna stay like that.
Oh,
Whatever. I'll just like.
is that the sun on your back? Wait, you should put on your top before you do this.
Oh well. We're already there.
Okay. That actually kind of looks like it a little bit.
That's what's going on, so.
Outfit change, people. We're back again.
Fucking oh god, she has her hair so high. And you wrap it around the ponytail.
Where's my freaking clip?
Oh fuck. Okay.
Wonderful. Okay.
I've been thinking about you. Yeah.
Yeah, I like that one.
That was a freaking hand.
It looks like someone going like this.
Yeah, I was just gonna say that.
Are you yodeling?
Okay, we're good.
Oh, she's a good girl.
And that was it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I had a lot of fun doing this. So again, if you want to see me do this in the future, just leave a comment down below and tell me what celebrity you want to see me do next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.